Hello Zambia, welcome to Cyber Intelligence Zambia. So lero I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code on our Windows operating system. So first go to the browser and type VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Then the first website which comes on top, you go there. Then when you go there, go here part downloads for Windows, since we are dealing with the Windows operating system. Then mu browser yalamba okulanga ati yamba okuba downloaded. At least you have enough bundles. Usually for me Sunday 3GB at the oilava february. Then the pop-up will come for the installation. Click accept terms and agreement. Then just click next. Don't change anything because that's the path it's going to be stored in. Then select menu folder na paleka if in a pali, but if you want to mapachonga you can leave start menu folder, but na ileka finish static. Then since in the ileka fin, I'll just proceed next. And then hapa naomba na tukwata additional tasks window, so I'm just going to check it hapa molo. Then nakakena kapanisha, I'll check it. Then the rest they are already ticked like add the file to path. Then desktop icon, which means the icon yakola is up desktop window pesu ya Visual Studio Code to akola imona. Then even these you have to tick them because it is this Visual Studio Code you'll be using to learn cybersecurity, HTML and Python. Even software developers use it. Then next, install. So it's very important that once we get familiar with this Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to walk you through. So then we can click finish up, so we will launch it. Finish. Visual Studio Code is really good. It's really good. So this is how you install it, and this is the latest version. So with all the options, I'll walk you through how to set up things. I'll guide you. You can just subscribe and turn on the notification bell and kutuma chitako na share ku bantu.